Hey there, today I have this steamer that was sent over to me from the brand to share with you guys. This is going to come in really handy in helping clean some of those greasy, grimy things at home, like bathrooms and tile and grout and cars and hard to reach areas. Let's take a closer look at it. So with the steamer, you're going to get the steamer itself, a longer wand for easier reach, the power cord, multiple brushes and attachments, a couple scrapers here. You've got the window scraper as well as a towel that will fit over that. This is the squeegee that just attaches to the scraper. We've got a towel, the instruction manual, and a pair of gloves. Changing attachments is super easy. They just slide right over that and then it's ready to go. This is the water tank. It just lifts up and in goes the water. When turning the steamer on, it will flash for about 15 seconds as that water preheats, and then it's ready to go, and you can adjust the intensity of the steam simply by pressing the button on the handle. So I tackled the hard water and mineral buildup on the top of my stoppers in my bathroom sinks. This did amazing at breaking down those hard stains and cleaning them up. I did have to use some scrubbing, but the steam really did a good job in helping things along, and it didn't take hardly any time at all to get rid of some of those buildups. And as you can see from this before and after picture, it really did an amazing job. This is also going to be great for things like cars, so it can be used in the house but also in the garage, because again, this is going to help take care of that grime and grease and help get into those tight places that can't normally be reached by using hands. Now this steamer has some decent length to it in regards to the cord as well as the actual tubing. The tank holds a ton of water. This is about 2 cups of water in there right now. It'll hold up to 14 milliliters, which is somewhere in that 4 to 5 cup range. So that'll be good for about 45 minutes on full steam power. I really like that this is definitely a multi-tool use in regards to where I can use it around the house, from inside to outside, and it can clean a number of things. If you're looking for a new steamer to add to your cleaning routine, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.